The second subject we have for this morning is nursery science, and our topic for today is herbivores. What did I say, everyone? Herbivores. What are herbivores? Herbivores are animals that feed on plants. They feed on plants. The major food they eat is plant. They get all their nutrients from plants. Some herbivores are wild animals, while some are domestic animals. Do you know what wild animals are? Wild animals are animals that live in the bush and in water. They are dangerous and they don't live around us, while domestic animals can be found around the house. Some examples are dog, cat, goat, and so on. Now let's look at examples of herbivores. And this animal is a sheep. What is it doing? It's eating grass. Sheep eat plants. They eat flowers, they eat grass. They are herbivores. Now I have more examples. This is a zebra. Can you see what the zebra is doing? It's feeding on grass. It's a herbivore. Another example is rabbit. Can you see the rabbit eating plant? It's a herbivore. Cow. Cows are herbivores. They eat plants. Giraffe. Giraffe is an animal with a long neck. Can you see it eating grass? Eating plant. Giraffes are herbivores. Another example I have is elephant. Can you see the elephant eating grass? It's a herbivore. Herbivores eat plants as their major food. They get all their nutrients from plants. Another example is goat. What is this goat doing? It's eating grass. That's the major food goats eat. They get their nutrients from eating plants. Goat is a herbivore. Another example I have here is rabbit. Can you see this rabbit? What is it doing? It's eating plants. Rabbits are herbivores. Another example I have here is deer. Can you see them? What are they doing? They are eating plants. They are herbivores. Now let's go over all the herbivores we've mentioned in our lesson today. The first one is sheep. Sheep are domestic animals. They live around the house. They are herbivores. Zebra are wild animals. They live in the bush. Rabbits are domestic animals. You can find them around the house. Okay, cow. Cow, are they domestic or wild? They are domestic. You can find them around the house. Elephant. Elephants are wild animals. They live in the bush. Giraffe. Giraffe, is it wild or domestic? It's wild. You can't find giraffe anywhere around the house. Okay, goats. Goats are domestic animals. They live around the house. Rabbits. Rabbits are domestic animals. They are herbivores because they eat grass. Deer. There are wild animals. You can't find them around the house. They are herbivores because they eat plants. Now, can you see? This is an example of what herbivores eat. They eat vegetables, they eat grass, plants generally. They get their nutrients from eating plants. I'm sure you've learned something this morning. Herbivores are animals that eat plants. Examples are deer, rabbit, goat, zebra, elephant, cow, giraffe, and sheep. I'll see you in our next class. I love you all.